to trade US stocks and options from the Philippines or anywhere in the world. A broker is an individual or firm that acts as an intermediary between an investor and a securities exchange. It acts as an agent for a customer and charges the customer a commission for its services. What is the difference between a discount and full-service brokers? Full-service brokers provide execution services as well as tailored investment advice and solutions. Investors can expect to pay higher commissions for their trades. Discount brokers execute trades on behalf of a client with little or no commissions. They do not provide the investment advice or guidance provided by a full-service broker. Here are 3 US-based discount brokers for citizens in the Philippines and their pros and cons. Personally, I use Tastyworks as I trade more options. Here are the things you need to open an account with Tastyworks. With our latest videos on stock and options trading, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel.